I want to invite you to embrace the uncomfortable feeling of feeling good. Many people are rather addicted to the feeling of anxiety, doubt, self-doubt, a negative perspective on life, and it can be addicting. It can be that unhealthy familiar. And I want you to know that it's such a common feeling, especially as you're trying to begin to take yourself out of those more broody feelings. And I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna feel weird initially, and just expect it to feel weird. But tell yourself, it doesn't have to be the way it was. In other words, it's not the way it was, and therefore it's going to feel weird, and you got to say to yourself and prepare yourself for that weirdness so that you can, move past it and then start to create a new normal, a new way of being that now becomes the normal, and make the new normal transforming problematic situations and feelings into what am I learning? What am I feeling? What am I here to learn about this? What is it teaching me? As opposed to, it's out to get me. I am the victim of the thing. So normalize feeling good, even though it's unfamiliar.